my jeans hands up with us, nigga. You ain't bought that shit, so what you bucking for?
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
I miss you, and now I wonder if I could fall into time. Do you think time would pass me by? Time what you cooking early. When I see you, I'ma push your shit back. Boy, trying to get the split, still set on fight. Boy, 12 paramedics couldn't save your fucking life. Boy, Rod Kate dead and he never coming back. Boy, we gon' treat this bitch like a match. How we strike. Boy, his ass in the street, this the end of your life. Boy, stay your ass, see a flashlight in this mic. Bro, these niggas soft as hell. All these niggas, they just act hard. I'ma shoot this bitch when I motherfucking see you. I don't go nowhere without my motherfucking heat. Cool, smoking on that beat, I'ma smoke a JD too. Bring my nigga Max to that motherfucking Wait till we find out the drop out my way. That's my work in that boy kind of mind. Oh, I smoke, baby. Oh, I smoke, Dicky. Oh, I smoke, the night. Now I wonder. Niggas smoking stupid, looking crazy like they know us. You ain't got no money, but you bought me and you told up. You pretty, but be so wet. Me and Boosie in the Maybach, good for the liquor, see the cutie with some booty, trying to juggle with this pistol. All my niggas wanna fuck was down, fuck around with switches. I been fucking on this bitch, I just was fucking on on the system. Leaning off the juice, bitch, I got walk up in my double car. I be getting money, but this bitch though you can't fuck with us. 30 grand stuck up in my jeans, yes. Pussy nigga, you ain't bought that shit, so what you bucking for? I touched down at 11:45. Nigga bust down in the Draco when I
What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that full 2-song bass demo with some good outside flex as well as inside, really tearing up the back of the Escalade for two 18-inch subwoofers inside of here. If you didn't notice, he had some really nice clean door installs on his front and his rear speakers. They look like they're either 8 or 10-inch mid-range with a couple of Timpano super tweeters, and at the back there is a bottom port that was allowing the subs to breathe. Subs up, port back. I really wish I would have got a full introduction of equipment, but I didn't get one at the show when he gave me this demo. But be sure to give him a like and comment. Let him know what you like about his system. These are Scar ZDX 18-inch subwoofers and an Escalade. Didn't find out what the battery bank, power, electrical, anything was. But in the back, you can see behind the subs, there is actually a panel, beauty panel blocked off there where all of his amplifiers, battery are all hidden. And if you notice, the subs are inverted, so the sub bass was definitely playing into the high 20, low 30 hertz range really well. So the box is probably tuned in the low 30 hertz range. And also, subwoofers up, port back seems to be most optimal in SUVs like this. But hope y'all enjoyed the demo. We're going to get some extra footage of the demo. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day on Jacob Vile Car Audio. Enjoy.
paramedics couldn't save a fucking life. Why I can't dead and he never coming back. Why we gon' treat this bitch like a match? I was tight, man. In the street, it's the end of your life. One day your ass see a flashlight and it's nice. Bro, these niggas soft as hell. All these niggas, they just act hard. I'ma shoot this bitch when I motherfucking see you. I don't go nowhere without my motherfucking heat, cool. Smoking on my PD, I was smoking Trey D2. Free my nigga Max to that baby, oh, I smoke, Dicky, oh, I smoke, but now I wonder. Time like 2-3 for 2-3, let I ride till you down. If I thought shit was sweet till we find out the drop right out when I'm all working, that boy kinda mine. Oh, I smoke, baby, oh, I smoke, Dicky, oh, I smoke, but now I wonder. You pretty but be so wet. Me and Boosie in the Maybach, good as for the liquor. Seen the cutie with some booty, tryna juggle with this pilger. All my niggas wanted backwards, they don't fuck around with switches. I been fucking on this bitch, I just was fucking on her sister. Leaning off the juice, bitch, I gotta walk up in my double car. I be getting money, but this bitch though you can't fuck with us. 30 grand stuck up in my jeans, yes. Pussy nigga, you ain't bought that shit, so what you bucking for? I touched down at 11:45.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.